Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, and your car supports CarPlay. Plug a good USB cable into the car USB port labeled with a phone icon, or enable wireless pairing in your car if supported. On your iPhone, go to Settings General CarPlay and select your vehicle. This registers the car. Once done, accept any prompts on the car screen and phone. This initial link creates the secure tunnel CarPlay uses to mirror apps and commands. Once connected, configure CarPlay so it fits your driving needs. On the iPhone, open Settings General CarPlay and tap your car, arrange app order, add navigation or music shortcuts, and remove clutter. Make sure Siri is enabled and has microphone permissions so voice commands work reliably. Also enable location services and allow cellular for maps and streaming. In the car, set steering wheel button mapping and audio output to CarPlay. These settings reduce distraction and speed up common tasks while driving. To finish, run quick tests. Make a call, start turn-by-turn maps, and play music to confirm audio and microphone performance. If something fails, restart your iPhone and the car's head unit, then reconnect. Often a reboot clears handshake errors. If issues persist, forget the vehicle in Settings CarPlay and repair, or try a different USB cable. Make sure both iOS and the car firmware are up to date, because compatibility updates fix many subtle connection and display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.